Hi there, students. I had a question from watching Asher grow about the meaning of to aggrandize. To aggrandize as a verb, aggrandizing as an adjective, aggrandized as an adjective as well. Um, an aggrandizer, personal, self-aggrandizing. Okay, so to aggrandize, the basic meaning is to make something bigger, to make it great, to enlarge it. So, I don't know, Hitler invaded his neighboring countries in order to aggrandize Germany, to make it bigger. Okay, so to aggrandize, if you aggrandize somebody, it makes them richer, more powerful, more impressive. But mostly we use this phrase aggrandize, meaning to seem. It's not, let's see, it can mean really to make bigger, but very often we use this word aggrandize to make something seem more powerful, to seem bigger or more important or more impressive than it really is. So, I think maybe advertising is always seeking to aggrandize the product that they're selling, to make it look better, to make it look more impressive. Politicians are very self-aggrandizing. They go on and on trying to show everybody how wonderful they are, showing off and telling everyone about their wonderful qualities. So they're exaggerating, they're hyping themselves, they're promoting themselves. Yeah. So to aggrandize, firstly, it means really to increase the wealth, power, prestige, scope of something. But mostly we're using this aggrandize meaning to make it seem greater, to magnify. And yes, maybe something is bigger, but aggrandizing, the idea is to make it look, to puff it up, to blow it up, to make it look great. So it's to make it appear greater, to praise something highly. Yeah? Let's see, maybe if you have a farm, you can buy the piece of land next door which aggrandizes your farm. It enlarges it. It makes it better. Yeah, but more normally we're using this aggrandize. He uses advertising to aggrandize his image. Yeah, to enhance the wealth, the power, the reputation. Yeah. So when there is a disaster, and then the relief or the help services come in, a politician will get photos taken in the press of them helping the emergency services to aggrandize themselves. Okay, so to aggrandize, this is normally rather disapproving. Yeah, it's publicity for yourself, to make yourself look better, to look more influential. Yeah, to a cause to appear greater. Yeah, so very often in work situations, people are always trying to aggrandize their importance or the importance of their contribution in a particular project, because that makes them look good. Yeah, and that means that it makes them appear greater, and therefore they're more likely to get promotion or pay rises or things like that. So he's always showing off and aggrandizing himself. He's exaggerating, he's promoting, he's exalting himself. Yeah, so notice it can mean physically to make bigger, but normally it's got this overtone that you're trying to look important. You're trying to look like you are the very best. So you could aggrandize your authority. Yeah, or I think restaurant menus are a great example of aggrandizement. Yeah, the names that they give things. Yeah, it's steak and chips. So, okay, but let's aggrandize it a bit. Meat from the cows of the luscious green pastures of Cumberland, with specially selected potatoes coming from the which are originating from the Andes. Potatoes come from the Andes anyway, but this is the idea of aggrandizement. It's just making it seem more than it really is. Notice one little thing with to aggrandize. I would say spell it with a Z in American and an S in British English, but I think they're both fine spellings. Now, formality. To aggrandize. I think I'm going to give this a 6.5, 6.5 in formality. I wouldn't use this informally. Informally, to show off, to inflate, to hype, to blow up, something like that. Use it in a semi-formal conversation, semi-formal or formal writing. And then as to origin, okay, it comes from French agrandir, yeah, to make bigger. From Italian aggrandire, from Latin grandis, large, big. Yeah, so it's effectively enlarging, making bigger. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Aggrandize.